So how do you break down barriers that prevent people from participating in activism? How do we help people see that activism is for all of us, that politics is for all of us, that we all have to participate in democracy for it to be most reflective of our population?
Sure. So I think the first thing you have to do is you can't assume that you know what an organizer looks like or who an organizer is. And you certainly can't assume that tomorrow's organizers are going to look like yesterday's organizers. Because historically we've had a problem on the left, the same that I think we have throughout the society, which is that there are barriers to exclusion, barriers of exclusion with respect to bringing the most effective people into the organizing process, women, people of color, members of the queer community. And so what we do, first of all, at Arena, we try to invite people in, make an open and inclusive space. When we're training, we try to have policies around that that make all sorts of people able to attend, and that might mean a childcare stipend, because if you're a working mother and you want to attend a 5-day training teaching you how to be an organizer, someone's got to watch your kids. It might be a scholarship, because if we're doing an in-person training and you can't afford to fly there, you need a means to get there to do the work. It might be reaching out and inviting people to come, and instead of assuming that they will come to us. And then I think the most important thing that we do is we train the people who are going to be leading organizing movements, whether those are campaigns or ballot initiatives or other civic efforts. We teach them to have policies towards their own organizers that reflect our values. And this was spoken on some of the earlier panels, but that means if you have organizers, pay them what they are worth, give them benefits, and listen to them. If someone's coming back to you and they are of the community and they've been knocking doors in their community and they're telling you that the messaging isn't hitting or the strategy isn't hitting, give them the respect that they deserve. That's what ultimately makes an inclusive community of organizers, and I would say an effective community of organizers, because we are most effective in the work if we are sending people out who reflect the communities that we're working in.